Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Moosoo K17, a very powerful and beautiful 2-in-1 cordless vacuum. It comes in a very small box and it's absolutely amazing what you get in such a small box. You get even two different brushes, one for hardwood floors and one for carpets. You get different nozzles, so this very modern head with this power brush, which is really super easy to switch the two different brushes, and also cleaning is really easy. You get this cradle to charge the vacuum, and that's the dust box, which is also easy to clean. Yeah, it's really powerful. As I already told you, it has 17 KPA, which is on par with the latest Dyson vacuum. The battery lasts for about 30 minutes on standard power, and with high power about 15 minutes, but the standard power is already enough for 90% of the jobs. You get as well a really nice booklet which explains everything also about maintenance and cleaning, but these things are really easy to do, and it's also very easy to assemble. So at the end you get a very beautiful and powerful product, and it's absolutely comparable to the latest Dyson products, but it's only much cheaper. As you can see, you can almost reach every corner. You can reach under your sofa, under your furniture. This is really awesome, and it has a lot of suction power. As you can see here, yeah, some rise on the floor. It's a hardwood floor, and you have two different power settings. It starts on low power, which lasts for about half an hour, and then you can switch to high power, which lasts for about 15 minutes. So if you plan to use this as your one and only vacuum, I think it will be good for about up to 2000 square feet. If you have more size, then you need another one. A good option is the 618A, which is also from Moosoo and has a little bit longer battery time. As you can see, you have different heads, and you can make it shorter. That's a 2-in-1, and you can use it for almost everything, especially good for cleaning in your office, computer, everything. It even works for high pile carpet. As you can see, here I have really heavy stuff to take out, but with the strong hard brush, it's absolutely no problem to take it out even of this carpet. To charge, it comes with an easy cradle where you can also place your equipment, and it will show you when it's charging and when it's fully charged with a green light. So it's easy to take everything apart, to change the heads, put it back, and here you can see how easy it is to take out the brush. That's the hard bristle brush, and you can replace it with the soft bristle brush, which is actually works the best for hardwood floors. Here you can see how we change it for this small head. This is really awesome for office or other small places. It's absolutely versatile. There's almost no place where it doesn't fit with all these different heads. Hard bristle brush comes with a rail in the middle, and so you can clean it pretty easily from here. And yeah, to clean the cup, it's pretty easy. There's a flap on the button, but if it's really full and really dirty and you think you have to clean the whole filter, then you can take it out. You can put everything into, you can rinse it under water. Don't put it in the dishwasher, that would be too harsh, but you can clean it everything with water. But just make sure everything is perfectly dry before you start cleaning again. It's really super easy, and I can tell you this thing is really a life changer. If you have only used corded vacuums. This is a life changer. I have never seen my wife vacuuming so much, and she does it even with a smile. It's absolutely awesome. It's a beautiful device, and I can highly recommend this to everybody, and I will put down the link to order it right away from Amazon into the description. And I will also add a discount code, so if you order it from Amazon, make sure that you use the discount code as well. So that was it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.